Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you a very tricky effect in which I'll show you the card transformation and how from some card will change it to another card. So how the trick goes is I'll first show you the trick and then I'll teach you how it is done. So you take a deck of cards and you give it a Hindu shuffle and ask the spectator to ask you to stop. And suppose he asks you to stop here. So you tell him that there's a particular reason and there's a particular connection he has with the cards. That's why he has asked you to stop here. So you ask him, you show him his card where he had selected. His card is King of Spades. You turn over the card and you tell him to remember King of Spades. So you take out King of Spades and you put it somewhere in the center. And you tell the spectator that once he snaps his finger, because he has chosen King of Spades, the King of Spades will again come to the top. So you snap the fingers and then you show him the top card, which is not King of Spades, it is Jack of Diamonds. But then you, with your psychic powers, convert this Jack of Diamonds into King of Spades. Ask the spectator to watch closely, and here is your. So now I'm going to teach you how this effect was done. So when you take the deck of cards, you start shuffling them, give it a Hindu shuffle. Don't worry about the shuffle, keep shuffling. Whenever the spectator asks you to stop, suppose he asks you to stop here, just stop. And then do a double lift. When you do a double lift, you show the top card. In the double lift, the second card, which is 3 of hearts here. These are actually 2 cards. So you show the 3 of hearts and then you flip it back. You take this top card, which is not your card, and you put it somewhere in the deck. Now this time you ask the spectator to snap his fingers and tell him that his card will come on the top. But you again do a double lift and you lift up 2 cards, which are the Ace of Spades will be on top and below it would be your 3 of hearts. So now you show the spectator that something has gone wrong and you have not been able to, get his card on the top. So building up the climax, then you tell him to watch closely and you tell him that you will get his card somehow. You snap the card and you change it. This is the card transformation being taught in another video of mine where I'll teach you how to transform cards. You slowly put this card and this card goes back. You keep it amongst the other cards and that's how you show this card. I'll show you slowly again. After you take the double lift, you show the cards and you snap it and there goes your card and the card comes out. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you want to learn something new. I'll bring out my tutorial, give your reviews about my tutorial, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.